Guys, ready? We'll do it fast. Yeah, earlier 80 is not working, now 80 is working. So I put a 80. Okay, so before going to 80, so I put a date. So date is 1631. Okay, so I will go to 80, 16, 35. Now automatically 80 colon will come. So you don't need to type 80 that greater than symbol. Just type the command only. So I put a mkdir data 5. So I will give complete path. Okay, so complete path slash root slash data 5 because I'm in already root. Okay, next date double greater slash root data 5. Okay, slash af1. Okay, then I put a echo. So this is atcmd double greater slash root slash data 5 slash af1 only. Okay, one file. Okay, that's it. So I'm putting a control D. I'm putting control D. Now it is scheduled, but it is not running. So it is showing some job one, but cannot open signal not running because it's a service. How to do it? System TTL. Okay, start ATD. ATD is a service name. Now it is done. Then we have to check the status. Now it is running. Okay, so the service is running. I put a ATQ. So one service is running. So when it will execute, it execute at 4:35. So I have for 2 minutes to run. But meanwhile, I will schedule something. 80, 16:45. Okay, I run like this. Ping hyphen C 1 192.168.2.1 double greater slash root slash data 5 lab AF2. So control D. So if I choose ATQ, it is showing 2. Okay, so it is showing a 2. Once this is run completed, automatically it will remove from the this one. Okay, I'm going to another one. So 17 call. I put something like CP mm, data 1 slash CP hyphen R. Okay, data 1 slash 2 data 3. Okay, control D. Again ATQ. Guys, where is the first one? The first one is run already. Okay, so here is first one. See this one. This is completed. 2 3 is there completed because time's up. Time's up. That's why we have to take at least 10 minutes. When you practice, take 10 minutes minimum because you have to do all these things. Okay, and observations. This is only for showing ATQ. So one is completed and two is going to be complete. That is at 45. Anyway, we completed first one, right? So what it is? So we'll see ls. Can you see data 5 is created? Okay. When it is created, so exactly at 4:35. Okay. Now what is there in that one? So there is a 4:35. One file is there. So cat data 5 slash af1. Now see date output and as well as a echo output also there in this file. So this is AT command. At that particular time, it will run automatically. If something there is a problem, then it won't run. But it means if you are giving a wrong command or a wrong timing or things, then we have to verify properly. Again, I'm taking ATQ. So it's not at 4:45. So still it is there. Okay. And here, why I created a three? Why? Because of I want to show you one command. Okay. ATRM. ATRM. What is this ATRM command? ATRM command usually like I don't want a third job. I don't want third job to run because I given something mistake there, or maybe don't want to run this time. I want to run in a different time. That is, I want to remove now. So I don't want that task to run now. So ATRM 3. Okay, third job. So 1 2 3 is there. No? So 3. So third job I don't want to run now. So ATRM 3. Now put a ATQ. So then it will only run second one only, not third one. Okay. So to see the second one output, we have to wait up to 4:45. Okay. So that's the thing. Okay. I hope you got it. So I put a meanwhile history. No, history. From where we started here. From here we started, right? So yes. Yeah, here I given a service related commands, right? After installation of AT, you have to start the service. Certain things we require a service to start also. So be careful in that one. So AT is required a service to start. Okay, so this is just remove this one. Okay, this is also output, just remove. Okay, this is ATQ. Again, I schedule something. Guys, this EOT and all is a control D. Control D. So don't type EOT. Put a control D only. Okay, so don't follow blindly. Follow what I said. Okay, big outputs I will remove. Okay, again I will go up. See this AT automatically when you give AT and the time, then automatically AT greater will automatically came. So you have to type this part only. And next, this is the control D. When I put a control D, this is shows EOT means end of the terminal. EOT means end of the terminal. Automatically it will come. So when you put a control D, okay. So it is showing like job 2, job 1, job 3. Okay, and we install AT right here. We install AT. Okay, so installation we have to run this service. I put a hashtag. So after installation of AT, we have to run these services. Okay, then we have to give the time. Then you will get like this. Already I told don't type AT greater. Don't type AT greater. It is just if you give this one, this automatically will come. So don't need to put it two times. Okay, and this is a control D. So after this one, you'll get another AT empty AT. Put a control D. Automatically it will come a EOT. So you don't type EOT and enter and do it. Don't do like that. So and ATQ to see the queue. So if you see ATQ, two jobs are there because I created two jobs. One at 4:35, another one is a 4:45. Two jobs are there. and 512 I created another job, it is a 3. So 1 2 3. Meanwhile time is done, so automatically this time it is run automatically. So okay, that's why it is not showing first job, it is showing 2 and 3 because of first job is already completed. Okay, now check ATQ, and I verified as per my command. So what I done, I created a directory and I put a date output into AF1 and echo output into AF1. Okay, so this is data 5 is created, and inside the data 5, so AF1 is created. Inside AF1 I have a date output and as well as a echo output also there. Okay, so when a time triggers, automatically it run. And there is a third one is also there, right? So I don't want this one, I don't want to run this one because I'm trying to copy data 1 to data 3. Now I don't want to do it, so I will do it later maybe. Idea change, command differences, or maybe something is happened. If something is happened, we can remove from the schedule also. How to remove the schedule? So ATRM, so ATRM to remove a particular job, from the scheduling. So I removed this from scheduling. ATQ, so again check the Q part. So this is it. Of course, once check time again. What's the time now? Date. It is still 4:42. You have to take at least 10 to 15 minutes higher than your date. First type date, then check the date. Okay, and then based on what is the time it is showing here, so at 10 minutes or 15 minutes. For example, it is 5 o'clock, so you want to do at, for example, 6 o'clock you want to do it, so 1800 it is there, right? And your the time is 1800. Now you want to schedule it, the job at 1815. So you will get more time, and if anything is there, meanwhile you can observe and all. You can schedule different things, and observations will happen. So first I check date, then only I done this one. So if you check, it is at the time of 4:31. So I put a 4:35. So I took at least 4 5 minutes, 4 minutes differences, 3 minute differences. I do fast, that's why I can able. We have a still 1 minute time, so I have to wait for 1 minute time. So I want to see the time. Okay. Um, this Q, Control C. Command is watch -n1 date. Now it is working. It is clock type, so you can see the clock on your screen. Now it is 4:45. So I'm pressing Control C to come out from it. What is this command? Watch command. Watch command. Watch your process, not date. Watch process. What is the process here? Date is the process. So it is watching the date process. And what is the one? One means 1 second. Every 1 second, watch the date, like that. If you put a 10, so you will watch the date process for every 10 seconds. What's going on with the date? Okay, so that's it. Now your time's up. Then I'm going to ATQ. Now empty. Why? Because of the previously that already created. Second one is 4:45. That is done. So it is empty. ls space data 5. So two files are created. Okay. Next cat data 5 slash af2. Now that is a ping output. That is my ping output. So I put a ping and wait. So once it is completed, automatically the 80 jobs will be removed from our system. So this is about your 80. So I think it is a little bit fast, but try to check it once or twice. Okay, so next one is cron tab. Of course, there is a batch. Batch command is also there. What is the batch command? Is a batch command is we can schedule a things with the batch command, same as a 80 only, same as a 80 command only. But think like this one. So okay, whatever it is. Okay, so I put a 80 command. For example, at mm, 17, right? So 5 o'clock. Okay, or maybe a 6 o'clock. I run a job at 6 o'clock. Maybe it is a heavy job, like I want to take a backup. It's difficult, right? So it is difficult at doing. Okay, then I will put a 9 o'clock. In 9 o'clock also, system running high speed. Okay, so I schedule a job at 9 o'clock, and I want to take a backup of my PC, but lot of people still log in that one. So my server is memory and CPU is full busy. Then what happen? When you are running a job means already full busy. When you are running the job, so then it will the performance will be down again. More burden on your PC, plus your backup thing won't work properly. Why? Because of lot of files are accessing from system, so then backup won't work properly. So what I will do, I schedule a job it here, but not with 80. I will use batch command. I use batch command with a scheduling. So at 9 o'clock, the batch process will start. So at 9 o'clock, batch process will start, but it will verify your CPU burden. It verifies CPU burden. If CPU burden is less than 0.8%, less than 0.8% means no burden on your CPU. So minimal burden on CPU, right? So minimum burden on your CPU is there. So it means no one is accessing. Then it will run the commands, the command mentioned in batch. If in case the CPU percentage, for example, 10% is there, it won't run. It won't run the commands you mentioned in the batch command. Okay, so it won't run that one. So it will wait. It will wait till this target is reached less than 0.8%. So less than 0.8% it reach, automatically it run the things. So that is a use of batch. So when you run batch now, automatically it will run. Why? Because of a total CPU is not occupying that much, or otherwise we have to wait, we have to increase the utilization of processor of Linux, and then wait till it is become a less is load. So practically we have to increase it and decrease it to observations. So that is within our timing, it is not sufficient. So 80 and batch are same. 80 and batch is same command, same thing only we are doing, but only one thing is different. 80 will run when time is triggers, batch will run when time is triggers, plus it will verify your process is less than 0.8%, less than 80%. Okay, the process means processor wait processor is utilization is less than 0.8%, then only it run the batch program. Okay, otherwise it will wait till the process into the lesser weight, then it will run. So that is a part of batch command. Okay, so to execute a batch of commands at a system free time, execute command if system load average is less than 0.8%. So it will verify this thing, and if it is low, then automatically it run the command. Batch and ATR both are same. It triggered by time only, but when time is triggered, it run the command. Whatever the status of system, AT is won't worry about it. But batch will verify the load of the system, and if it is less average load is less than 0.8%, so it will run that one. So that is a batch command. So next one is cron tab. Cron tab is very important in a Linux and as well as in interviews. And understanding of cron tab is very important. Why? Because of when we talk about cron tab we are talking in the sense of Linux part only. Okay, but in a reality, in a real time enterprises having a multiple servers are there. Okay, so there are a lot of scheduling tasks are there, like maybe updating PCs, or maybe verifying network connections, or maybe a backup, maybe a backup or a execution of files, or maybe change of file system, or maybe adding a new task to it. Okay, like this. So there are so many things are there, so how to understand, you should understand what is a cron tab, that's it. Okay, but in pictures, this is a cron tab. Actually, if you go to the cron tab, one file is there, cron tab related file. If you go there, then you can able to, the cron tab is there. So in that one, usually it is mentioned like this. If you are using a old PCs, you may see in this one, like cat space slash etc slash cron tab. It is there here. Very good. This is about your cron tab. Okay, this is unnecessary thing, like just not unnecessary, it means like I'm adding only few things here. Okay, quick definition of job. Here is a five stars are there. Each star represent a certain thing. Like a first star represent minutes in 0 to 15:09. Okay, and another star represent hours from 0 to 25. So another star represent day of the month. So 1 to 31. And another star, this star represent month 1 to 12, or a Jan Feb also we can able to mention. This day of the week, which week? 0 represents Sunday, 6 represent 7. Sorry, 0 represents Sunday. Okay, if you put 7 also Sunday. So 1 represent Monday, 1 Monday, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, Thursday 4, Friday 5. Again Saturday 6. It cut from here, so because okay, the because of that one, okay, Saturday I put start automatically. Okay, so next is username command to execute. So this is your contab. In a contab is in this format. Okay, this is the format of contab. The first represent minutes, hours, day of the month, week. Remember that one. Okay, so before we do, um, again, before we do, so what is this date and every month? So we'll see. There is a command. So what is this cron tab and 80 thing? Execute a command what you given, command or a script. Okay, automatically it will execute that command or a script. For example, if I 0000, what is the meaning of this one? Okay, so it means every minute, every minute. For example, I put a command is date double greater df1. What is that meaning? They execute the date command, put the date command output into df1 every minute. Okay, because this one, sorry, not 00. 0 means different. Star no, 5 stars. I didn't mention any time, means every minute. For example, mm, mm, 30, 5. No. Yeah. 0, 10. Will start. And this is CMD. What is the meaning of this one? Every day. It is every day. Any day. Any day. Okay. Because I mentioned hours, right? So every day at 10 o'clock. Every day at 10:00 means AM only. So we follow 24 hours on. Run the command. Run CMD. Okay. Hmm. Run CMD. Okay. Next. 30 CMD. Normally people think every 30 minutes run this command. No. Actually it meaning is every hour and every day. Okay, daily. So daily, every day, irrespective of day, month and all, every hour at 30th minute, 30th minute run this CMD. Means meaning is 0, 30, 1:30, 2:30, like it will go 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, like that, 13:30, 14:30, 15:30, like it will keep on going. Okay. 0, 15, 30, 45. Star. Every 15 minutes run CMD. Okay, every 15 minutes run CMD. I specified every hour 15. Actually, the meaning is every hour, every day, every hour, every month. Okay, every week. Okay, 15th minute. Or if you give 15 only, 15th minute. But I am giving 0 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and 45 minutes also. Okay, like this. Um, I will give 30, 22, star, date, month, star, 5, and can anybody can able to guess what is it is? Okay, I will tell. On Friday, on Friday. So you on every Friday. Okay, on every Friday at evening means 20 to 30 run the command, whether it is command or script or whatever it is. Okay, for example, I put a backup command, so like that. Okay. Mhm. Okay, now next question I will ask. Now you may understand. Try. So I will ask another question now. Okay. 00, um, morning 9. Okay. So I will change. Okay. Now yeah, can anybody try? Maybe I'll change. I'll change this one. 30 09. It means 9. Quite easy now. Anybody try? I need an answer. No one.
Sir, I haven't understood it.
Very good. That's important. You are not speaking then. I don't know whether understand. Very good. It's a scheduling a task. Very good. So we'll repeat. So a cron tab is a scheduling task, not like AT. AT schedule the task for next 24 hours from this minute to next 24 hours. But cron tab will run the commands, or maybe we can schedule a task in an interval of times like morning and evening, or maybe every day particular time, or every week particular time, or every week or every particular week and particular time, every month particular time or a particular date, like that. Okay, so that is a cron tab will do. In this cron tab, we have to arrange the numbers in the one sequence. The first number represent, the first thing is represent minutes. So when I put a 0 means like it's a 503, right? Like that, it's a 0 represent 08 minute. Second represent hours. Okay, so second represent hours, first represent minutes, second represent hours. Hour means timing hours, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, uh, 13, 14, 15. It's a clocks only, right? So 24 hours clock format only we are using. So 10 means here, it means morning 10 o'clock. Okay, 22 means evening 10 o'clock, 9 morning 10 o'clock, 30 9:30, 9:30, 10:30. Okay, and here just a 30, whatever the time it is, like 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, all 30 minutes. When you see the star means all possibilities, means everything. 1 2 3 4, everything it will, the value it is means every will come up. Okay, next one is um, day, day of the month. So I will put a day only. Sorry. I put a day or a date. We can say day or a date. Okay, so actually we have to put a date. Date means combination of day, month, year. So that's why it is day is better. Okay. Next, day means maybe this is March, right? March 6th. I want to run something on every, for example, first day of the month, you will get salary. So every first day of the month, I want to run the script. Okay, for example, in our in my organization, Savantis, they'll take attendance from 25th of the month to next 25th of the month. Okay, so last 25th to this 25th, they'll take attendance. So based on that one only, a number of working days will be there, like last 25th to this 25th. So Feb 25th to March 25th, number of days, working days will be calculated. So on 26th day, 26th of every month, I want to generate a output. So I will take average attendance and I will generate this candidate is this one. So I want to generate. I written a script for that one. So I have to mention 25th, 26th day is 26th that time. Okay. So the third place represent day. Next represent month. Next represent month. Month is Like I want to run this script for every year on January, or maybe every year February. For example, there is standard dates are there, right? Standard dates are there. If you see, mm, how can we say, uh, December 25th. 25th December is holiday. 25th December is holiday. It's a standard date, right? So the month and the date is there. 25th December is holiday. So don't do anything. Just uh, ignore all the logins. So it's a holiday. So no one will should work. So like 25th December. Another one is 15th August. 15th August is a holiday, national holiday. So then maybe I will put a thing, okay, minutes. So 00 minute, 00 hour means midnight only. I'll send day, and month is August, and what are the week it is. Okay, everybody, I will send a message. Happy New, what we can say, not Happy New Year, what we say, Happy Independence Day. So we forget everything by this everybody. Happy Independence Day, everything. I put a thing 0000 26 26 Jan. Okay, and whatever the week it is, send everybody like um, everybody like a happy Republic Day. Okay, happy Republic Day like that. So every year. Okay, maybe I will wish everybody in a morning 10 o'clock. Here I wish everybody morning 8 o'clock. So you can put it. Maybe Happy New Year is there. No, we forget that one. Midnight only we have to tell. Okay. So 1st January, like what it represent the month in a particular month, particular date, particular time, or any time, like particular interval of time. We can mention that one. Okay. Next, week. Week is like Monday, Tuesday, Friday will come up, right? So this one represent week. Okay. Mm, how to tell week kind of stuff. Yeah, a Monday morning, I want to check my systems whether they are working or not. So the entire network communication is there or not. So I want to ping, and every Monday morning. So when office is open, so morning 9 o'clock compulsory. Every PC should check with pinging to their server and get a reply. Everything is ready. Okay, like that. So Monday morning, for example, 8:30 minutes is 30, hour is 8. Monday, so it means any day and every month. Monday means 1. Monday represent 1. Week represent um, in a numbers only. Monday means 1, Sunday 0. Okay. Next, on Friday, I have written this. See, on Friday, on every Friday, irrespective of what month it is, what date it is, every Friday on 22nd means night 10 o'clock, night 10 o'clock, 10:30, 10:30, night 10:30, run this command, run the backup command, or run the update command. Okay, like that, update and backup command, or backup and then update. Okay, so like that. Okay, or send a report on every Friday. Okay, shut down the machines like a Saturday, Sundays holiday. I want to give rest for my server. Shut down the server on a Friday. Automatically it will shut down. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, once again I will repeat. So Cron tab is for scheduling a task in a particular interval of times, either by minutes wise, hours wise, day of the month wise, day of the week wise. Okay, so ignore this one. So this is represent every minute. This represent every minute. Okay, next. how we can able to schedule? So we have to specify the time, date, week, month here. So then only we can able to specify the particular command to run on a particular time or a day or a week. Okay, so here is a combination of these things. Minutes, the first place, what are the number you are giving, that meaning is minutes. Next one represent hours. Next one represent day, means in the month what date, 1 to 31. Month represent month of the year, like what in a month, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, like that. So like that. Week, week represent like a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like started with the Monday only. Monday is equal to 1 only. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, like 1, 2, 3, 4 it will come up. Okay, so here I written like a 25th December is a happy Christmas. So Christmas morning, early morning, I want to wish everyone. So I want to send every relatives that happy Christmas. Okay, like that. In morning 7 o'clock only, everybody receive happy Christmas, whatever the week it is. Okay, or I want to send a happy Independence Day on morning 10 o'clock on 15th August. So I want to send a message to all my employees on 26th Happy Republic Day. Okay, here I want to on Jan I want to send a Happy New Year. This is complete set. But sometimes week is more important. Okay, sometimes week is more important. Okay, there is some friendship days also there. I always forget when it is of some friendship day. When is the friendship day? August first week, right? August first Sunday, right? So then I can put it like this: August. So I'll put a 00. Later I will see which one zeros. Um, Day is nothing, so we don't know day. Okay, and August first Sunday 0. Okay, whatever the day it is, August Sunday. Then what will happen every Sunday, not first Sunday. Okay, it is August Sunday. That's it. You don't worry about what day it is, first week or second week. You don't know, so we have to specify properly that one. So it is what happened. Like this. If you know particular date, week, and all, yearly certain weeks dates are there. Today is 6, right? Tomorrow is 7 Sunday. Okay, so we'll put it maybe um, 0010 7 March Sunday. Now it run tomorrow and next it will run again next year. If if 7 is on Sunday, if next month 7 is not on Sunday, then it will run next year. That is also check. 7 day March, it is Sunday or not? If not Sunday, then leave it. So it will wait the entire calendar when the next March is on Sunday. Okay, so maybe sometimes it will take almost total round of possibilities are there. Okay, at least 6 7 years. By 6 7 years, it will run again. Okay, so like that. Yeah, we right. That is a complete answer. Okay. So if March 7th on Sunday, then at 10 o'clock run the script. Okay. So like that. Okay. So that is a thing. Um, what I said. The first place represent minutes, hours, day, month, week. Only that thing is there. So you have to take example if you want to go see the lot of examples and that one. Cron Tab. You can go to anything. I will go for geek for geeks. Okay, you can see like this. What is the meaning of this one? 6 star is given. 6 means this is the week, right? What are the week it is? 6 means June, on June 10 at 8:30. June 10 at 8:30. So do this one. And if you scroll down, you will get lot of examples also. You can mention in a row also, like morning 9 to 6. This is morning 9 to 6. This is every 10 minutes, not a 10th minute in every 1 hour. That's the difference is there. For example, you want to run some script, so star slash 5 star. Okay. Yeah. So run the command for every 5 minutes. But what is the difference between that one and this one? What is the difference between this one and this one? Difference is this means every 5 minutes, irrespective of what hour it is and all. So every 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, like 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, like this. But here CMD, it means 0.05, comma 1.05, comma 2.05, means every hour, fifth minute. Okay, its meaning is every hour, fifth minute. That's the difference. Okay. Okay, now tell me this answer. Guys, understand first? Are sleeping, headache, continue tomorrow, anything is there?
On every first day of month at 9:30, run a command.
Very good. So every
First day of
first
month.
of first day of the month, or first means that one, no? First month. Every month, every month first, right? Yeah, that's correct. You are correct. Every month first at 9:30, at morning 9:30. Very good. Now you got it. Point. Mm. Okay. So the timeline is important. So if the people are asking, or when you are seeing any scheduling thing, when you see 5 places, the first represent minutes, hours, day, month, week. Okay. So if they given question like this, if you got question like this, you can able to put this one. If you got this one, and you can able to answer like this. Okay. So I will show you 1 or 2 examples by running. Okay, then we'll close this one. Okay. um, Cron tab minus u minus root. Okay, if you don't give a minus u minus root, no problem. Okay, if you give, it means I am running this script on this using this root. Root is a user, and based on root only, the script in a cron tab lines are running, commands are running in a root user only. So someone should run, right? So root user will run it. Okay. I've given a root -e. Not required, no? So file is a common one. I'm not required to put a file automatically. Temp file will be created. F1. Why it is Crontab-L? No cron tab. So it will list the number of Crontab-L. Okay. Crontab-E -u root. Yeah, now it is working. Okay. So I will show you that command once I completed. This is like a VA editor only. Guys, this is like a VA editor. Press I. Now insert mode. Now I put a my first one is star dot star dot star dot star. So I put a take double greater slash root slash data file like cf1. Next, every minute date will be added. If you are running the command with a um, different users, then you have to specify the user here. Okay, you have to specify the user here. Okay, in this place you have to specify the user. Otherwise, just continue the command. Okay. Now it is 5:23, so I will give you 5:30. 5:30. What I want to do is I will put a echo. Just for understanding only, we are giving this command in real time. There will be different commands. Okay, I am using Cron Tab and double greater slash root slash data file slash cf2. We'll see that one what will happen. Okay, and next I'll use this one star file star. We can use other things also, but problem is you have to check every day, every week, Friday, Saturday, like that. Okay, um, on every Saturday, like that. Okay, so okay, run. No. Ping -c1. Okay, 192.168.2.1. Okay, the output should go to root dot data file slash cf3. Okay, so every 5 minutes I'm running a ping command. Okay, um, you want to schedule it. I have a lot of time. Okay, so 5:30 up to 5:30 it is there. Okay, so at least another 2-3 minutes. um, Tell me something like um, maybe okay, 30 21 star star. This is 6 Saturday. Okay, my command is like em. No. Sure. Okay, star slash 5 star dot I will change things. Okay, cp mm, data 5 slash to data 6. Copy all the data from data 5 to data 6, or maybe data 4 to data 5. Okay, what I don't know what is there inside. Here I put a 0, 18, okay, Monday. Okay, like this. So 3 is enough. We are about to times up. Just I'm copying this one before I quit. So I quit it. Then I paste what I done here. Okay, and I have to put the command here. This is the command. Okay, this is the command. And this is the data I given. Now C control Cron Tab L. So this is what we schedule inside in a PC. Okay, so every minute run this one. Uh, every day 5:30 run this one. On Monday evening 6 o'clock run this one. We can't observe now. Okay, so you have to put Saturday. I put 1 7. Okay, every 5 minutes copy data. What are the data in the CP4? Run it. So there is a mistake. When I want to copy, I should use the content. Sorry, insert, insert, star, escape, colon, W2. Okay, so now we have a 2 minutes time to see some output. Not required. So because have you seen every minute it is adding a thing, right? So cat data file cf1 already two data outputs. This is a one data output, another data output. Double greater it append, so it will continuous. Okay, once it is time completed, also it will come up. Okay, this output we have to wait for 5:30, and this is we have to wait for next Monday. This is we have to wait for 5 minutes only. And meantime, we'll see ls data 4. It contains h file 1 and d4 data 5 contain af1, af2, cf1. Okay, wait. That's a 5 minutes interval. Now 5 minutes completed. So the clock 5 minutes completed, and also we have to check the file cf1. Cf1 is there, but cf2 is not yet there. So we'll see now cf2 is there, and also hf1 also came up. How? Because we copy a data from here to here. Whatever the data for content is there, it is copied from there to here. First of all, I want to see cat data 5 slash c5 2. Yeah, I'm using cron tab. Again tomorrow, again tomorrow 5:30. Again it will add that statement. Again it will add statement. Till that time, this won't run. Again tomorrow 5:30. Again day after tomorrow 5:30. Like, and this is only run on Monday. Okay, this is run every 5 minutes. Okay, every 5 minutes, every hour, every 5 minutes. Okay, ls data 4 contains something. Mm, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some data to data 4. So data 4, under that one I'm going to create some files. Mm, um, F, how to do it? Yeah, anything you can put it. Okay, SF 1 dot 5, 4 is enough. More files, more damage. Now I created, right? So you can check it in data for S51, S52, S5, sorry, SF1, SF2, SF3, SF4 is there. Now that is not there in a data file. You have to wait for another 3 minutes. So 5:35. Just wait for 5:35. So these files will going to be copied. Meanwhile, I'm going to change the script little bit. Change the script because in this one there is a column hyphen r is required. Sorry. What happening? Insert more. So 0 already there. Mm, I'll remove this one and I put a 6. I put a 6 and I will remove 17. 45. 45. Okay, 45. 40 is better. 40 is better. So we don't have much time. Saturday, right? 6 is Saturday. Okay, this is now here hyphen r. Um, yeah, also there. Recursive and so it won't give errors while it is copying. Force copying like this. Installing new cron tab and you can verify what are the changes we done also. You can keep on changing. You can keep on changing. I change it to this and I change these two things. Okay, change it. Okay, change these two things into these two things. Otherwise, you have to wait for longer time. We have 1 minute to complete the 5 minutes thing. We'll see what output you will get it. So remember, guys, what it is. In data 4, I added 4 files, and these 4 files should be added to data 5. Okay, so these 4 files should be copied from there to here. And there is a problem because already some files already copied. Like this is already here. That's why I use hyphen r and f also. Forcibly copy it. And you want to watch date, um, hyphen n1. Not required already. Completed date. Now, mm, okay, yeah, ls space data file. Have you seen? These 4 files are added. Now D4 is also added because hyphen R recursive. D4 is also added and this one is also added. The data in data 4 is copied into data 5. Like I done backup. A simple way. It's not backup means you have to do actually compression and all. Simple backup like I have a folder. The folder contains the data and copy it into some place. Every 5 minutes it will run. If I add something after 5 minutes, data will be added there. 5 to 8. 3 files are added into data 4. 3 more files are added. So SF totally not 3 4 files are added. So SF5, SF6, SF7, SF8 in a data 4. And if you check in 5, it is not there, right? 5, 6, 7, 8 is not there. It will become after next 5 minutes when next so 5:40 it will come, and meanwhile 5:40 also it run the ping command, but this ping command won't run tomorrow, and it will run only on Saturdays only. It will only run on Saturdays only. Okay. Guys, in still have anybody has a doubts or explanation? Please tell me, because it's anyway first time and I also speak very fast. I may while my speech also it may confuse you. So if you are not understand, it is don't feel shy on that one. Okay, so no need to feel shy. Like you don't understand means people will laugh. Nothing like that. It is like that only. This is the part. Otherwise, you try it once. Okay, you try once. Okay, what is it is what is it is what is it. Try once with the different things. Then you will understand what exactly it is. Okay, why cron tab is important. So you understand the condition like a script, like if data is like we can write a script also, like if new data is added and then take a backup. Okay, or run this kind of backup, or maybe new file is arrival, immediately start install the application, or uh, new changes occur, okay, and immediately report it. So like we can do the task, okay, and we can schedule it. Scheduling a task in a and task, scheduling a task and task, these things if you understand the concept. So there is a few things are there, like automation and analytical is there. No, automation means this one only. Cron tab is a basic one. The starting point is cron tab only in automation. If you type in a Google, what are the automation tools? What is automation tools? If any changes occur, immediately reporting or do certain action, either reporting or do some action if some changes occurs, or maybe you're expecting some changes, or maybe you done some change and based on that do some action, or some time is occurred, the time triggers, do some action. Action means like do some, run the command or installation or backup or update. Okay, remote management, remote PC management, remote deployments. Okay, so I like that. Okay, or maybe based on a user request automatically create something, okay, like that. For example, I want to create a user. You can use that one. You know how to create a user, right? So morning, um, 10 o'clock the user is going to be joined. Morning 10 o'clock, there is a candidate is going to be joined. When he join and he need a login account, so you can create at 9:45, 9:45 tomorrow, 9:45 in a particular date and time. So like you can specify. Yeah, 5 minutes completed. Meanwhile, 5:40. We'll see. Cat data 5 slash c of 3. See, that's the data output. Again, this sorry ping output. Again, this ping will run next Saturday only because I put a 6 here. If I put a star means again tomorrow it will run. I didn't put a star, I put a 6. It means run on only on Saturdays only. Okay. And I add a data, right? So I add a data. This is the data, right? 5 to 8. This is I added into data 4. But in data 5 it is not there. Now it will be there. Now it is there. So that is a cron tab. Okay, understand the time limits and CMD and all. Try once, just try one or two commands at least. Okay, yeah, either you can use user creation, moving files, kind of stuff. Then you will understand what it is. Okay. Okay, so this is about your 2.png. Hyphen E to edit, add, remove. So where is this? Hyphen E to edit. How to check it? Hyphen L for verify what is the list. It is there. Hyphen R for remove all jobs. Now you don't want it. You don't want to schedule now. You can use hyphen R also. Okay. Don't use hyphen R. Once you are completed your practical, you can use hyphen R. Or you done a mistake, like a lot of mistakes in there while you are creating. So instead of removing it, so it's like a VA editor. So happily you can able to do it. So just like all this editing is a VA editor only. Add at least two and try. Then add two. Then try. This is like when you put a this one, understand this one, and also I already told go through this cron tab and find out how to do it. Okay, this is it, guys, about your cron tab. Any questions, any doubts, please tell me. Okay, it's already today is we crossed lot of time. Tomorrow morning class is there, so I'm going to stop.